I do not need 47 AI tools. I need a handful that actually help me write, edit, publish, and market without eating my entire day. Authors need workflows, not another giant list of shiny new software. My Gen X approach to AI is pretty simple. I don't trust you yet. Come here, show me what you can do. When I'm stuck, I don't ask AI to write the scene for me. I ask, why isn't this scene working? That keeps me in the writer's chair while still giving me another brain to bounce ideas off. AI can generate words. That doesn't mean those words sound like you. Romance readers connect to voice, emotion, tension, personality. If AI starts sanding all that off, it's not helping anymore. There's a huge space between never use AI and let AI write your books. That middle ground is where most working authors actually live. And frankly, it's where the most useful conversations are happening. Being over 40 is actually an advantage with AI. We've watched enough technology come and go to know the shiny new thing isn't automatically magic. We ask better questions. That matters. If your AI keeps giving you perfectly pleasant, completely forgettable writing, congratulations. You have trained yourself a very polite refrigerator. The trick isn't getting more AI, it's learning how to direct the AI you already have, and that's what we teach at the Invisible Pen School community. Come join us!